Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I'm in the Caravan today and I want to talk to you about this fabulous power station. This is the Elite 300 from Bluetti. It's a world-beating power station. It's a powerhouse of a power station. In fact, it's a superpower. So this unit has been certified by Frost & Sullivan as the world's most compact 3 kilowatt portable power station. It's got a couple of UK adapted AC power sockets just here. It's also got USB-A and USB-C sockets, but they're pretty powerful. Yes, this one over here is 100 watt USB-C. This one is 140 watt USB-C. Of course, there are multiple charging options as well. In fact, there are 4 flexible charging methods: the AC power, the solar power, a 12 volt adapter from your car, or indeed via a generator. I will show you the Bluetti Elite 300 in action, but I want to talk through some of the points while we do that. Perfect for road trips and camping. Just what you need. This will power the entire caravan while we're away. So in terms of an off-grid stay for a weekend, if you've got this with you, no problem. With a LiFePO₄ battery and a 5-year guarantee, you have reassurance in your hands. And even after 6,000 charge cycles, this baby will still retain 80% of its power capacity. Super fast charging via an AC input. This will power up from 0 to 80% in around 78 minutes and up to 100% in around 90 minutes. That's quick. If you have solar, then this supports solar charging up to 1200 watts. The Bluetti Elite 300 also has less than 10 milliseconds UPS, which means you've got seamless emergency backup power. What is also brilliant is you can control the whole thing from your phone. Now it's 2,400 watts rated, which is very powerful indeed. So things like kettles, fridges, televisions, electric grills, toasters, computers, you just name it, and no problem with the Bluetti. In fact, with all of these inputs here, AC times 2 and DC times 4, plus of course your 12 volt and barrel inputs, that actually you can be using multiple devices at the same time, and this will take care of all of your power needs. It's a beast. Now it's 2,400 watts rated, but it has up to 4,800 watts when in powerlifting mode. And what that actually means is some of your more powerful devices, when you plug them in, they do create a bit of a power surge right at the start. And that's why the 4,800 watts is a big ceiling and covers any of those initial surges in power. So I've had this now for a couple of weeks and it's been an absolute godsend, to be completely honest with you, especially in my garden, because I've just built an outdoor kitchen and regular viewers will be familiar with that, but I have no mains power there, and I do need mains power for my new grill that I use outside, and the Bluetti Elite 300 is absolutely perfect for that. But you think about the different circumstances in which you might find yourself needing something like this. Obviously at home, in the event of a power cut, this will power your fridge freezer, put the kettle on, anything like that. Your lights are in the house at night should you need it, no problem at all. But also if you're, I don't know, a long distance lorry driver out in your truck and you've got to go and stay overnight and cook, put the kettle on, make hot drinks, etc., this is perfect for that. Of course, the ideal scenario, off-grid camping, so whether it's in a tent, a caravan, a motorhome, a camper van, with the Bluetti Elite 300, you know you've got a whole load of reassurance and backup with this unit. It's easy to talk the talk. Let's see it in action. First job, outside, cup of tea, kettle on. First cup of tea of the day is always the best one. Now we have to do some cooking. Well, Sunday morning in the UK, you have to do traditional things, and that includes a traditional breakfast, a full English breakfast, cooked over here in my outdoor kitchen using this fabulous wood fire grill. It's ready to go. And it's electric, all electric, but I have no electric in the garden. You'll see I've got lights on. although it's daylight. So how am I powering it? The Bluetti, of course, the Elite 300 does everything I need it to do. So the wood fire grill plugged in here, and my electric lights plugged in here. I don't need to put power into the back garden. Let's get on with breakfast. So this machine is 1700 watts, okay, and I've got some lights on as well. Currently tells me that we're drawing 1697 watts, so practically the 1700. I'm on 97%. I can cook on this for 1.5 hours before having to recharge. Fantastic. Fried bread's on, doing well. Sausage is looking good, bacon's about there. Just got a couple of eggs to fry and this is ready, folks. And just like that, breakfast is served. Couldn't have done it without you. Thank you, Bluetti. Now, one thing I want to do is I want to get away in the caravan on an off-grid trip sooner rather than later, before the winter arrives, hopefully. And we've done it once before. We went away for a weekend. All we've got on the roof is an 80-watt solar panel, and we had no backup with us, and it was real touch and go at times. It was late May, lots of sunshine, a lovely hot sunny weekend, so we had lots of solar, but just keeping the power topped up was quite hard work. We had to be very cautious and really careful about what power we were using, and there was no way we were going to turn on TVs, hair dryers and stuff like that. Now with the Bluetti Elite 300, total reassurance in your hands. It's here. And when we're out touring in the caravan, I've still got YouTube videos I have to film and edit and upload, and I do need to be constantly charging up devices to do that, particularly my MacBook, my phone, and also my camera and the batteries for the camera as well. So to have this with me in one place, I can sit outside at a little workstation and do all the things that I need to do. Absolutely brilliant. And of course, in this day and age, reliability around power is becoming quite a challenge. In fact, we've had more power cuts in the last 12 months than I can remember. And without something like this, you can't keep your cold items cold, and you can't even put the kettle on unless, of course, you're using a gas kettle. So I think everybody needs a Bluetti. So I just want to show you the main display. This will obviously go off to save power. It doesn't stay illuminated all the time. If it does go off though, you just touch the button here and it'll light back up again. Nothing plugged in at the moment, but I wanted to show you the app, which is basically mirroring exactly what's on screen here. So 71% power left in the unit at the moment, and no AC input, no AC output at the moment, so no power going in and no power coming out. No DC input or output either, and that's exactly what you can see on this screen here. So 0 watts of AC. If I just scroll down, you can see that 0 watts going in, 0 watts coming out. So that's pretty obvious what's going on there. Now you'll notice that the screen here has now gone off. But if I want to turn anything on the app, I can do it. So I can do that via Bluetooth, or I can do it via Wi-Fi. But I'll just turn on the DC output, and you'll see that that's now illuminated the DC button on here. So you can see on the app itself we've got a current running which says that the DC is on. If I want to turn it off, then I can just touch this button here, and then we'll go up and you'll see that the DC has gone off on the unit itself. So I've turned that off, hit OK, that's gone off, and instantly it's turned off on the unit now, so that's not illuminated green anymore. And likewise with the AC, if I turn the AC on here, there you go, that's on, and now you can see that the AC button is illuminated on the unit itself. So that's really good, and I'll tell you why that's particularly good for me, because when I'm in the garden and I want to use the outdoor kitchen, I put in the Bluetti underneath in a cupboard out the way, so I've got no real access to it once it's plugged in. But I just want to keep an eye on what's happening with the charge while I'm using the outdoor kitchen, and should I need to charge it up either by solar or by mains, then I can run an extension lead and power it back up. But so far, I mean, I've used the outdoor kitchen using the Bluetti about half a dozen times in the last sort of couple of weeks, and each time I've had more than enough power. I think I've used in the main at the most about 30% of the total power with a full evening of barbecuing, you know, drinking, cooking, putting on grills and stuff like that. So been really pleased. No need to start running electricity outside into the garden to power up the kitchen, because the Bluetti does everything that I need it to do. So massive thank you to the team from Bluetti for supplying this. I've never used a Bluetti power station before. I've been very impressed with this. They're going to provide me with a code, which I'll put on the screen for you now, and also a link to their website. So if you want to buy one of these, there's some good deals around at the moment, and I'm going to put the best available deals that I can get for you in the description down below. So do check out all of that. And I think everyone this day and age needs a power station, and I can't think of a better one than the Elite 300. It's so versatile, it's so simplistic, you can control it with the app. What more do you want? Thanks Bluetti, and thanks to all of you for watching. We'll have another video coming your way shortly, but like I always say, if you haven't done, now's the great opportunity. Do hit the subscribe button, give us a thumbs up and hit the notification bell. Then you'll know when all the videos are coming out. Sometimes they're product reviews like this, sometimes they are campsite reviews, and sometimes it's Helen and I just doing our thing. Either way, we really do appreciate your support. Stick with us, folks. So until the next one, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.